Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to weekly forex analysis. In this video I'm going to be analyzing euro against USD followed by USD Japanese yen. This is for the following week from 20th to 24th of July. So without further ado, let's jump in and start analyzing. Okay folks, we're starting with the euro against USD from the monthly time frame. I'm going to drill down to the shorter time frames such as weekly and daily time frames, and we're going to analyze and see if there's any potential trades awaiting and if there's any entries, exits and stop losses which I'm looking at. I will be mentioning in this video. Before I do that, make sure to smash the like on this video, as well as if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's start to the analysis. So euro is the monthly time frame, and we are seeing that for pretty much this week we had this nice run up. However, so we're seeing this nice 3-month candles. Obviously this month is not finished yet. It's still got I think week and a half or 2 weeks to go, but we're seeing that the price is making ways it up. Probably most likely going to be hitting this trend line at some point. Maybe we want to take out either this high or potentially this high. So this is a long shot yet. We're gonna start. We're gonna have a more clearer picture when we're gonna go to the weekly and daily time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. That's said. Okay, on a weekly time frame, we can see that these finally have broken out this upper and lower trend line with this wedge, so it broken the upper trend line. I was actually looking for this week to get the trade, but the markets are so weird. It's doing such a weird moves that I could not get the trade, so I had to leave it for that day. I was looking for the pretty much entire week. The euro dollar, was waiting for the opportunity to take the trade, but the way markets just turned out, it just pretty weird, which is normal for this summer season, where this low volatility season, and that's pretty normal because markets are doing such weird stuff that sometimes it makes it impossible to trade. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we're not gonna get a trade next week, so that's what we're gonna be discussing in here. Okay, we've seen that the price finally broken this trend line and potentially gonna be heading to this trend line and potentially breaking this high, same as the weekly one. So we're gonna be looking for any potential for the get onto the long side. That's what I'm looking at, to the long side. In order to get the entry, I'm gonna be looking on more likely on the daily time frames and maybe on all the time frames to find the entry towards upside. Let's go to the daily time frame. For now, it's very unclear where is the entry, and I can't really mention the entries because it's very unclear. It's still developing. Probably going to take a couple of days. Maybe on Wednesday we're going to get some trades, but we're going to see. I'm just waiting for the price to do either if it's going to push higher or it's going to start pulling back. Idea is going to start pulling back because that's where I love to get on to the trades, and obviously it depends how it's going to pull back, and then we can determine our entry. All the trades I take, I will be mentioning in my on my Discord channel, which is the link is in the description, so you're free to join. There's no charge on that one. So this one is developing, as well as all the other currencies I'm looking at. It's very unpredictable markets in this summer season, so we're gonna see how it's gonna go. Hopefully we're gonna get some trades for the following week. So it's a lot of patience game in this low volatility season. Okay, we're continuing with the US dollar Japanese yen from the monthly time frame. As we can see on the monthly time frame, the price is it's pretty much sitting in this the wedge pattern. I think I draw this lower and upper trend line on a weekly time frame. The way it's looking now, yeah, it's still stuck in this wedge pattern. Also, we have this nice monthly trend line. So the way it's looking, this very ugly sort of scenario. This is very ugly candles, even back into what is the month is, yeah, back in January, pretty much looking pretty bad in terms of the monthly time frame. So it doesn't look particularly good. Let's have a look at the weekly time frames. I think it looks a bit better, just a bit better on the weekly time frames. Yeah, draw this one probably just down here. Let me just move this one. Yeah, when it comes to trend line, it can be drawn so many different ways that yeah, don't rely on purely on the trend line, unless maybe it's like a main trend line you can rely it, but I generally like to find any other evidence to support that if I take the trade. Okay, so in this case we have this big wedge pattern, and the price for the last couple of weeks just doing up and down. It's not really showing much, so there's nothing much we can trade in this case, because the market's not really doing anything. So if you're a new trader, then this is very normal in this summer season, as I mentioned many times, but I still want to keep reminding to new traders, because I can imagine it's very difficult for them when they're, especially when you're new and you want to trade and you can't really find the trades. So it's very normal when we have this summer season. So hopefully after this summer, the holiday season is gone, we're gonna see some good moves. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. It's not really much going on the weekly time frames, other than just the market's just chopping around. And yeah, on the daily time frame, it looks pretty same. Look at this these candles for the last couple of weeks. So we had this move up here. I think I did not take this trade. I don't remember taking this trade, because for the last couple of weeks, I think about 3 weeks, it's been not that good, especially this week has been pretty. I don't think I have taken a trade this week, and most of my time went to the backtesting and improving my knowledge and all of that. So yeah, because as we can see, it's not really much going on, so I can't mention any levels whatsoever. What I'm looking at, if for some miraculous reason that hopefully will break at some point this lower trend line and shows some kind of strength, then it wants to maybe go down, or it's gonna show strength to go upside, and then we're gonna have an opportunity to trade. But until the price does something and breaks out this range bound, then there's nothing really much we can do, because we can't control the markets. All we can do is to control our actions. So in this case, because the market is not giving us anything, then we can't really trade. So unless I'm hoping that maybe next week the price gonna start breaking this trend line, and maybe when continue to fall, then we're gonna get some trades in. But for now, again, it's a patience game, and we're gonna sit on our hands and wait for the trade. Before you click away, don't forget to smash the like on this video if you haven't done it already, as well as if you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. I do upload regular content on my YouTube channel, as well as you can join our Discord channel, which is, the link is in the description, and it's absolutely free. Have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.